Turn off main water supply and drain system to a point below valve needing replacement stem. Unscrew port connection nut from the port requiring the valve stem replacement, as well as the ports directly above and below. Pull the fittings and tubing away from the ports. Be prepared for a small amount of water to drain from the lines. Slide notched end of the removal tool behind the port. Align tool on the rib centered under the tie rod behind the port. Pull removal tool firmly toward valve body. Do not use excessive force. When positioned properly, the valve stem will pop out of the valve bore. Pull valve stem out and discard. Insert new stem into valve bore, ensuring no debris is present on sealing surfaces. Press on stem until it snaps into place. Note: valve stem must be installed in the off position. Left side arrow up, right side arrow down. Replace distribution lines and port nuts. Hand tighten only. Turn stern counterclockwise, quarter turn, to open position. Turn on water supply.